Now is the perfect time to buy a home. What, with these interest rates? Yes, because the feds are intentionally raising interest rates to curb inflation. Remember that crazy inflation we had the last couple of years where homes were going $200,000 above asking, 30 offers, rinky-dink homes in the Bay Area going for 1.5 million? Yes, what we're seeing now is that normalizing and correcting. You are locking yourself into that home. You are not locking into that mortgage rate. Get the home you want now because homes are still appreciating. You can refinance. In a year or two when mortgage rates go down, just refinance. We are not in a housing bubble. Buyer demand is still too high. It's still too hard to get a mortgage. And people have a lot of equity. GDP fell 2 quarters in a row. Yes, that technically means we're in a recession. No, that does not mean the housing market is going to crash. Take a look at this chart here showing the housing market in previous recessions. One, we're in a 40-year inflation high. Also, the last couple of years, we pumped a ton of money into the economy, which caused companies to order hella stuff and hire hella people. There was supply chain issues, they couldn't get their stuff. Now they have an influx of inventory and an influx of employees, and that's why we're seeing some companies do layoffs. Also, Palestine, Ukraine, and now Taiwan, there's a lot of things going on affecting the economy right now. At the end of the day, your best investment is land. You don't want a fiat currency. You can't depend on that. That money's sitting in your savings account, earning what, 0.001% interest from your bank? Put that into property. That is the most valuable thing you can own. And yes, real estate is still appreciating. Call me if you have any questions.